And after talking to them, how silly I felt, the belt is actually inside of the pulley, coiled up. So ignore my no ability to find the belt in this video. Enjoy.
I'm just ballin', floss, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', floss, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', floss, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that Rose Gold compliment.
Alright, what's up, YouTube? We are back today. This is a quick update, just kind of showing the stage of where I'm at. Got parts coming in. I also got a new device, basically the interface to connect to my car for the Jag. Also, this also gonna work for the Benz, and it works for a lot of foreign vehicles. I only got a Jag and a Mercedes that I can even use it for. But you basically download the software on the computer on a VX diag, and you connect the USB cable, the long USB cable. You get like, I don't know, like a 10-foot cable. You connect to your PC, and you can see the whole entire interface. Also, we got the Velocity AP. We got some of the parts coming in, because you know this is just like half of the Velocity stuff. I say half, but some of the Velocity stuff. I got my downpipes still on the way. They should be getting here any day now. But this is what's to come after the problem is mitigated with the car. I know it might seem like I'm going way too in because I went ahead and bought all of this, and I'm still trying to mitigate the problem. But all of this was really cheaper. This, with addition to the downpipes, was cheaper, or it's the same price as what it would replace what it costs to replace one catalytic converter on my Jaguar from the dealer. So I'm like, I went ahead and just bought both of the downpipes and the tune with the upper pulley. So let's go start going through this, kind of see what we got right here. This is the Velocity AP upper pulley. This is the upper pulley, supercharger pulley right here. This is torque specs for M5 hardware. Okay, so look at that, like a nice little piece of hardware right there. And we got this is the V Flash tuner from Velocity AP. Of course, it got instructions and stuff. Tells you how to do the whole step-by-step process. I've already seen this on somebody else's post before, so this is my first time actually looking through my box. Okay, got a cable that come with it, 2 cables. I guess one of them's a car cable and the other one's like a computer update cable to download and transfer the data, the tune the files on. And it's pretty much that. We got the document that pretty much details on how to do the process. I'm about to go through the whole document, but just take a glance at it. This basically tells you the instructions. I don't know, one thing I've heard from this 1,000 times is just make sure you have it on a battery maintainer of something, the float charger or something like that, to keep your battery voltage up, because you can brick your ECU if that mug go dead while you're doing this. So that's pretty much the instructions on how to do it. Also, we got the main balancer, harmonic balancer. Now wait a minute. One thing I do notice, I do not see, I'm supposed to have a belt. And I know ain't no belt wrapped around that. That's a, so I need to be communicating with them. I gotta call them today, because I don't have a belt. Yep, that's it. No belt. So I'm supposed to have a belt that comes with this too. Does it have a list of everything that's supposed to come in here? So it looks like, yeah, I don't think I have the belt, because I'm supposed to have a different belt. Of course, they give you changing 2 pulleys. You know, you need a different belt to go on here, from my understanding. I want to confirm that for sure, but I'm pretty sure you need a belt. That's what I thought. I'm not gonna say that till I fully confirm it, but I was looking on online, and it looks like I need a whole new belt that comes with this kit. So I'm gonna call and figure that out for sure. But that's basically it. Oh yeah, what's that? Oh, it's a chicken salad. It's a chicken salad. But anyway, we gonna go ahead and conclude this video. That's just an update on where I'm at right now. I got dealing not with the actual tune. I got my spark plugs coming. I mean, not spark plugs. The injectors coming in. I got the seals for the injectors coming in. The injector little tool, Teflon resizer or whatever kit tool. I got yeah, a new snap ring clip kit, and well, all the stuff that pretty much needed to fix that. I'm also thinking about it right now. I'm also gonna get something to clean my injector holes out with, because apparently you got to get all the carbon out of those holes and make them nice and slick and clean. So I'm gonna end up getting something for that. Like maybe I'm thinking of doing something kind of clever, like get something like a wire, something like a little small bristle wire brush, put it on the end of my drill, and just my little small drill, and just go in the hole and just ream it out and clean it fast by spraying some kind of carbon brake, what you call it, a carbon spray or whatever, injector, carb cleaner injector, while spraying the wire brush on the drill. I think that'll clean it out real efficient, good and fast. So once I get all that done, I'll be able to put this motherfucker back together, and hopefully everything gonna be working, man. We gonna see. And then we slap this tune on here. Big horses, big horses, big horses. But again, that's a quick update right now. Just showing y'all where I'm at, man. Now let me go check on this belt, because I'm pretty damn sure the belt. And again, y'all know what it is. Deuces.